am here today at Corbin Studio and Gallery, located at 4 East Main Street in Crisfield. And I wanted to say hi and invite you to the gallery. No appointment necessary. If the flag is waving out front, we are open. Did you know that the gallery is now open Wednesday through Sunday from 11 o'clock to 3 p.m.? I was just wandering around the gallery and thought, why not make a video and share some of this wonderful work by our local artist. As you walk into the gallery, you will find art by Kristi, who is our featured artist right now. Kristi's art is almost completely made from recycled material. How cool is that? Let's take a few moments and enjoy Kristi's work. As we move into this other room, you will find the work of co-op artists, ranging from sea glass arrangements, watercolor, jewelry, books, oil, acrylics, charcoal, airbrush. Also, did you know that Crisfield Arts and Entertainment District will sponsor workshops? Bring us your ideas or use one of ours and let's work together to make it happen. I really would like to work on a workshop idea that includes our pets. Any ideas? The last workshop was called Seascape Art, where participants used a combination of watercolor, driftwood, sea glass, shells, and creativity to make a unique piece of art. Workshop hosts get paid. Just keep in mind it should benefit the local community and support the arts. Thank you for listening and watching. Hope to see you soon.